Keeping your vehicle's interior clean in every season can feel impossible, especially when snow, mud, sand, and spills are part of everyday driving. SMARTLINER all-weather floor mats are designed to solve that problem with dependable protection that looks great and fits like it was made by the factory. From daily commutes to outdoor adventures, these floor liners help preserve your vehicle's carpet and overall value. Each mat is custom engineered using advanced vehicle scanning technology to ensure a precise fit. The raised lip and molded outer edge create a protective barrier that traps dirt, liquids, and debris before they can reach the carpet. This design is especially effective against messy accidents, melting snow, and salt water during winter months, giving you confidence no matter the conditions outside. SMARTLINER floor mats are made from low-density materials that balance flexibility with durability. The result is a liner that feels solid and rigid underfoot while still conforming perfectly to the shape of your vehicle's floor. Textured, skid-resistant surfaces help keep the mats in place and add a clean, modern look that enhances your interior rather than hiding it. Cleaning is quick and effortless. Simply remove the mats and hose them off, or wipe them down with soap and water for spot cleaning. They dry fast and go right back in, making them ideal for busy drivers, families, and anyone who wants protection without extra maintenance. An added benefit is their eco-friendly construction. These mats are made from a 100% recyclable plastic rubber and polyethylene blend and are completely odorless, so you get strong protection without unwanted smells inside the cabin. Compared to many premium brands, SMARTLINER offers a more affordable way to achieve the same level of all-weather coverage. Manufactured by SMARTLINER, these mats are meticulously designed to fit each vehicle exactly right. Drivers consistently appreciate how easily they drop into place, line up with factory retaining hooks, and feel far more substantial than thin rubber or carpet alternatives. If you want reliable all-season protection that fits perfectly and keeps your interior looking sharp, SMARTLINER floor mats are a smart upgrade. Check the link in the video description for current pricing and vehicle compatibility, and subscribe to the channel to discover more practical accessories that protect and enhance your ride.